In this video, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process on how to get started with Helo AI. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. So let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go to the website hailuoai.video and then you'll get to this interface. Go ahead and sign up using the sign in option that is here. You can just continue with your Google account to get started. And here I have logged in. Helo AI has one of the simplest interface yet so powerful. And I've used other AI tools and I must say that Helo AI offers some of the best productions or produces some of the best videos out there. So to get started with creation, go and click on this option called create. And this will open up an interface where you can now either use an image to convert it into a video or use text to create videos. And also you can use the subject reference to create your video as well. So let's begin with creating videos through images. So I'll go ahead and take one of the images that I have on my computer. I'll take this image and then drop it here. Then give it time to upload and it is done. Now after starting, you can go ahead and give the movement you want to happen on your image here. And this should contain camera movement and action to your image. So for instance, I can ask it to rotate the camera at an angle of 180. And then I'll also ask it to add fighting actions and gunfire. So before you generate your video, you may want to go ahead and turn on this. So if you enable this, your prompt will be refined automatically. And then more details will be added according to the image to enhance the quality of your generation. And for camera movement, you can also use this and it will give you the camera movement automatically. So instead of adding your own camera movement, you can remove this, the camera movement, and then go ahead and toggle on camera movements here. And then use this to help you identify the movement that you want. Look at that. So you can choose any of these to add the camera movements that you wish. Great. So let's try and add left circling. And when you tap on it, you can see it is inserted automatically. Track left, pan right, tracking short. And then they have also just added another new feature recently that is called 12V Director. This is new. So if we choose this will also enhance our production. So once you are done, it is time to generate. Now, one thing you have to remember, if you're using a free account like me, every day you'll get 100 free credits that you can use to make your creations. And for each creation, as you can see here, 30 credits will be redeemed from your balance. Now, before you generate, you may want to go ahead and select the quantity, that is the number of generations or videos you want to produce per prompt. So you can increase this. If we generate 2, the credits will be doubled. So I'll keep it at 1 for faster generation, because with free accounts, sometimes the waiting times tends to be longer, especially if the queue is long. So for faster generation, I'll keep it at 1. And then to generate your video, go ahead and tap on generate. And then it will go ahead and begin creating. So let's be patient and see the creation. And as you can see, the creation is now in the process. So as you can see, I'll have to wait for 35 minutes for my creation to be over. And from my wallet, you can see 30 credits have been redeemed. Now I have a balance of 70. So I'll forward this video to the end so that we can see our creation. And now finally, our production is done. Here is our production. Let's watch it. Now look at that stunning video that we have just created. And as you can see, we have the camera rotation on our image. From left. That's great. You may want to go ahead and download it. To download it, all you need to do is to hit the download button, which is this. And when you tap on it, it will go direct to your computer. And here we go. There is our download. Suppose you are not happy with your results, you can go ahead and hit on this recreate button, and then Helo will go ahead and recreate your video. Now, one thing you have to note is that if you are using a free account, there will be a watermark at the bottom right corner here on your videos. All right. Now, alternatively, you may want to create your video from text. If you want to create a video from text, then go ahead and tap on this text to video. Then go ahead and take your prompt. For instance, I can take any of the video prompts here, then copy it and paste it in our Helo tool, and then Helo will go ahead and create your video following this prompt. Now for the subject reference, you may want to go ahead and input your content for this, and then press on confirm for this tool to go ahead and generate your video in reference to the subject. So that's how you generate videos using Hailuo. Now, if you want to go ahead and see your previous creations, then go ahead and click on this assets button, and then this will take you to your previous creations, and you can see mine are here, including the dates when they were created. So go on and try out this video generation tool and see what you can achieve with it. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me.